Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank card to Alipay. So to do this, it's pretty simple. So here we have our Alipay ready. Here, all you have to do to add the bank card is pretty simple. So here, just go to the bottom right corner and find your account. From there, you will see bank cards. Just press on that. And then here, you'll be able to add your bank card. So you can choose to scan it right here using your camera, but you have to allow it, of course. You can also upload it from your album. If you do so, the following cards are only accepted. Right here, as you can see, it's Visa, MasterCard, Diner Club, Discover, and JCP and Union Pay. So those are the only cards that are available to Alipay. So there you go. That is how you add a card. Just place on your details and you'll be able to use your bank account here in Alipay. It's just that simple. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.